Hi, welcome back to our channel. For those who have viewed our channels before, our videos, I hope that the videos have been beneficial to you. For those who are new to our channel, hi, my name is Marcus. Today I'm going to share with you what risk management is in trading. Now let me put up the slides. Okay. We have often heard of the saying, higher risk, higher returns. Well, to some extent, this is true, isn't it? Okay, for example, an investment in a startup company, for example, carries quite a high element of risk, which is acceptable, right? Which is understandable. And if this investment and if this startup is successful, it can reward the investor with a return of many folds. Well, compared to playing it safe by putting your money into a fixed deposit, for example, this is safe, but returns are very much lower. Well, when it comes to trading, we apply risk management to taking our trades as well. We have learned over the years, okay, that a trader will make money not just from how good and accurate his strategies are, but also how much he controls his risk. Now, let's say even if you are 99% correct, but if you always risk 100% of your capital, you will eventually lose everything. To those who are new to trading, allow me to introduce this terminology called risk to reward ratio. It's basically a measure of how much you are willing to risk to how much you can potentially gain for each trade that you take. Well, for our new members, we advise them to start off by observing a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. Let me give you an example using S&P 500 index. What this ratio means is that for every US $100 we are targeting for profit taking, we will not risk more than US $50. Well, to put it in another way, right? We are risking a potential loss of $50 US for a potential gain of US $100. Well, when our members get more familiar with the market movements and the strategies, most will eventually increase their risk to reward ratio upwards. For example, they will move up to 1 to 4, 1 to 5, or even more. Many of our new traders do ask me this question: which is the strategy that gives us the highest hit rate? Well, my answer to them is simple. Okay, all the strategies that you have learned gives you an equal chance to be profitable in the market. There's no one strategy that is better than the other. But what is more important, what is more crucial, is that you focus on risk management. If you can get this part right, okay, you will be successful. You will be profitable in the long run. Let me show you a few examples. These are all just based on one contract that you are trading. Imagine if you are trading multiple contracts, 2 contracts, 3 contracts, you can easily multiply these numbers by the number of contracts that you are trading. Now, you will start off by not having a very high hit rate. On the average, it's going to be about 50-60%, okay, for new traders. But eventually, you're going to hone your skills. You're going to be more skillful. You're going to be sharper in taking your trades. You're going to be more observant and be more aware of how the market is going to move. Okay, eventually, your hit rate is going to increase. Okay, it may eventually go up to about 75-80%. But what if the 75% accuracy of trading just one contract, keeping to the same risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2? Okay, over 100 trades, if you can make about $6,000 USD, okay, is that comfortable for you? Okay. In summary, we don't really need a very high accurate strategy or strategy that gives you very high hit rate, okay, to make money consistently. You just have to be disciplined to ensure a reasonable risk to reward ratio. Stay disciplined. Let the law of large numbers work for you. A trade and its outcome is very random, but the result of a large number of trades taken in a consistent manner is totally predictable. Thank you for watching. Let us know what other topics you would like us to cover by leaving a comment below in the section. Do remember to subscribe for more upcoming videos and click on the notification bell. I'll see you at the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy.